Now we're recording. Okay. Uh, so I got Skittles Berry drink and Skittles sour drink, like I said in the last video. And I also got Jolly Rancher ropes. And I'm also going to be trying these with my mom.
See, mom needs you.
What?
Huh?
What?
What?
Okay. Try the Wild Berry Skittles drink. Oh! It doesn't have a good aftertaste.
What does the aftertaste suck?
Yeah. Okay. Now we try the sour. No, that was the Wild Berry. Drink it! It's good. It's good though. Sour but good. Okay. 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 So so we got Jolly Rancher Ritz cherry. Okay. Mm. That good.
So, how do they taste?
They taste good. Mm. Cherry. Yeah. Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah. This is the last thing though. Okay, so we got Blue Raspberry Jolly Rancher Ritz. Blue Raspberry. Mm.
My.
That just tastes like Jolly Ranchers. Yeah. What do you rate the Skittles Wild Berry? Scale of 1 to 10. Yeah. Yeah, 7. Okay, the sour Skittle drink. Yeah. 6. The cherry. It's 3. Uh, Jolly Rancher, the blue raspberry. Yeah, I don't know. Aren't you muted? Okay, you wanna do the outro in a bit?
Huh?
You wanna do the outro?
Want me to do the what? Yeah, I
Outro.
can do the outro.
Okay, I'll do it.
Hey everybody, that is the end of the video. We will be making a new video in approximately about maybe 3 minutes or maybe an hour or two. Okay.
See y'all later. Remember to like and subscribe and shit.